Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been quite a while since I posted a video. 2020 really put its foot in my backside, so I had to make sure that I was okay. So I took I guess a medium-sized break. We'll call it a medium-sized break. But anyways, I'm back. I'm happy to be back. I hope you guys are still all around and waited for me. I know I was on a little hiatus and stuff like that, but sometimes you just gotta take a break from things and get your priorities right and get your life together. So that's pretty much what I was doing while I was gone. Also, since I've been back, I'm revamping my channel. I've already changed my banner, I've changed my profile picture, and I'm revamping it just a little bit. So I'm going to be posting 3 days a week. So it'll be Monday, Wednesday, and Fridays. So my content is, I'm still going to be doing makeup tutorials, of course. And I'm also going to do crazy story times and life events that have happened to me that I may have been a part of. And also it's going to be a lifestyle type channel, a lifestyle channel as well. So my goal is I really want people to get to know who I am as a person, my personality, who is Shavonne Ritchie. I want to connect more with my subscribers and make new friends on YouTube and on social media. And I'm excited for this new journey I'm about to take with you guys. And also, if you haven't already, you should be following me on Instagram. Even though I took a short break and I took a break from a lot of my social media platforms, I started posting again on Instagram before I came back to YouTube. So if you're not following me on Instagram, follow me at Shavonne.Ritchie. I'll have it down below, link down below as well. I'm still also selling my lashes. I have a few pair of those left, but I got to restock as well. I'm revamping my website. Hopefully, no, we're just going to have faith. We're going to have faith that I'm going to have this launched at the beginning of the year. Gotta have faith. But I've also, since I've been on my little hiatus, I've been testing hair vendors. So I want to also put my lashes and hair extensions as well on this new website. I don't want to sell y'all trash, so that's the reason why I've been testing different vendors and different manufacturers to bring y'all the best quality hair extensions that I can find. And I will also have, if you want to still purchase my lashes, I'll have things linked down below as well as to where you can purchase them or how to get in contact with me on purchasing them. Also, I have a Instagram page for my lashes if you want to see what they look like up close. It's at SR_beauty number 9. If you go to my personal Instagram, the Shavonne.Ritchie, it'll be linked in my profile. So you can just click on that and it'll take you right over to the page. Let's see, what else did I want to tell you guys? I think that's probably about it. So as y'all are watching this video, it is Wednesday, and then I will see y'all again on Friday, and then schedule will start. So the following week there'll be a post for Monday, then Wednesday, and then Friday, and then we'll continue on from there. And I want to say I'm happy to be back, and I look forward to getting to know everybody as well. Also, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell. That way you won't miss any of my videos. I would love it and really appreciate it if you give this video and all my other videos a big thumbs up. It really helps me out, and it's free. And also, don't forget to go over, like I said before, go over to my Instagram and follow me at Shavonne.Ritchie. And please leave a comment down below, or if you have any questions or anything like that. I would love to hear from you guys, and I would love to just connect with you. So I will see y'all again on on Friday, and y'all take care, and y'all have a happy holiday season. Goodbye.